Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to General Keyboard so you can change how words look as you type. Tap keyboards to add or select the keyboard you want. This matters because third-party keyboards handle styling differently. Once the keyboard is active, turn on predictive and smart punctuation so iOS can suggest formatted words and punctuation. These first steps let you control suggestion behavior and ensure the keyboard you tweak actually appears when you type. Now focus on appearance and style controls inside display and text size and any third-party keyboard app. You do this because the system keyboard inherits contrast, bold, and text sizing from accessibility, while third-party keyboards expose themes, fonts, and spacing settings directly. Open the keyboard app to pick a font or theme, then return to settings to confirm larger text or bold text are set as you prefer. Once done, test in Notes to see actual word styling and spacing in real typing. Finish by testing changes in Messages or Notes and switch keyboards with the globe key to verify word style updates. If the new style doesn't appear, first force close the app and toggle predictive off and on. Make sure the keyboard app has full permissions if required. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone, reinstall the third-party keyboard, or reset the keyboard dictionary. These steps clear cached suggestions and often restore expected styling. One tip: check accessibility settings last, as they
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.